The Land Transportation Office has confirmed that the number 7 protocol plate used by the SUV is fake. Senate President Chis Escudero was told that the protocol plate was not issued for the type of vehicle seen in the viral video. Escudero earlier aired his suspicion about the legitimacy of the plate since it does not indicate any markings. The number 7 protocol plates are issued exclusively to vehicles of senators. Escudero reminded them that having the plate does not carry the privilege of entering and traversing on lanes exclusively for carousel buses.
Oh, kasi,
It's a fake.
Kasi titignan mo yung plaka, no, ay based sa video. Look, yan 7. Diba? Pero wala na ibang markings. Usually may stickers yan sa side eh. Tsaka nakalagay yung Senate or ano eh. Pero ito, it's just basic 7 na nakalagay.
Totoo. Dalawa lang naman daw yung ini-issue per ano eh. Like for example, for one person or one senator. Isang front, isa sa likod.
Kita mo tong passenger ng bad sign pa, no?
Oo, at saka alam mo, sinasabi ko nga rin kanina, ang masama pa dyan, nilagay pa niya sa panganib yung traffic enforcer. Kasi di ba pinapainto siya, sir, wait lang po, tigil po, ganyan,
ginagawa
ganyan.
Lang niya trabaho niya. Tapos
tinutuloy-tuloy niya yung pag-andar ng sasakyan.
Ginagawa lang naman niya trabaho niya, tapos ganyan kayo.
So ngayon, antayin natin magkaroon ng show cause order para nga dito sa may-ari ng sasakyan na to. At sinasabi nga ni Tulfo, 24 lang daw dito sa Pilipinas yung may ganyang sasakyan.
Yes, because there are 24 senators.
Yes. So,
and when you're
I mean yung ganyang sasakyan. So it's so easy to identify kung sino may-ari.
Yeah, that's an Escalade, I think 2016, 2015 model.
Yes.
Oo, so hindi na siya ganun kabago, pero limited ang release sa
so
distribution.
24 lang yan. So madali ma-pinpoint kung
Talaga,
sino
24
yan. Sabi
lang.
daw ni Senator Raffy Tulfo.
Hindi niya yung big sabihin 24 plates.
No, 24.
Okay.
Oo, na may